everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Saturday night and we're going to Carnival here in our place in Camanchiles, Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Hi everyone, it's first time Carnival in our place and we show to you now. Before Carnival is in the center of Mabalacat. Every house is with decoration. Our house also already have decoration, Christmas decoration, Christmas light. For going to Carnival, need only go to another side of the river. I will show to you right now. Take a look, so many people. Saturday 9:45 p.m. Before have rain, that's why wet little bit. And you can see this is NLEX already. This is side under the fence. It's in NLEX. You can go to this side. You go to Manila. Another side go to the Subic. Also Baguio. This is river, small river. This is market, street market also night time. Night street market. People eat here. Take a look, so many people. Street foods. Many street foods, you know, Filipino street foods also close. 3 for 100 also have. Oil, take a look, oil, how quality of oil. And fry. No, I cannot eat this one. So many clothes here. Hi. What Shira you want to buy? Shira interesting. 50 peso only. Only 50 peso dress. Shira have so many like this. Maybe she want to for her mother. It's her mother. Usually people buy the same clothes, dress also. Many people today, Saturday. Oh, Shira friend. It's her cousin, yes, her cousin. Shira, who pageant in the models, not? She have in Camanchiles, yes, she have. I will show to you. We will show later, Shira, yes? Pageant before. Pageant in Camanchiles in our place. Carousel. Many teenagers here, so many. It's not only from our place, teenagers from everywhere here, from Mabalacat, from Angeles, from Angeles also. Okay, Bob. This is gambling. I don't want to filming near gambling because you know gambling in the Philippines is not allowed. That's why we worry about filming. That's why we walk through this place. I switch off camera. We already walk through the gambling. This is gambling. So many people, they want to win. They want money. And here now, Viking.
Number 74, bola referee, 74. Okay, number 74, bola referee, 74. Kasunod na bola, referee, 48. Bola po siya, 48. Bola siya, number 40.
Octopus waiting people to octopus. Very popular octopus. Take a look, this is my home. The second floor. Our cat in home right now, waiting us. So I can see every evening octopus. Shaira, horror train I know have, horror train. Do you remember, Shaira, horror train before in Mabalacat?
Yes, because
Ah, Bicol, yeah. This is sound I every evening here. Shara, do you want to... Don't like? Interesting, how much? Maybe 10 peso or not? Ah, 50 peso. 50 peso.
I don't like rice.
Aye?
I don't like rice.
Ah,
You
okay.
remember I've been before like that?
Yes, in San Fernando, Sky Ranch you don't like. Вот. Ah, our cat now, yes. Sunday.
Number 75, Lettero. Lettero, Padre, number 67.
No, thank you. Shaira, hi. Shaira, sister pregnant, Pamela. Already soon.
Yeah, ayan o. Bukas mo kayo kinasay. Thank you for watching, guys.